Okay, so at a 2019 Fiesta, again using the new software, Halkyard. Got my new key, I'm going to put that in the pocket. Start off the working key in ignition just to speed up and avoid doing the 10-minute wait. So we clicked on Ford Fiesta 2019 bladed key. We're going to double click on connect. Press OK. Are you sure the laptop's vehicle battery are charged? Yeah. Leave ignition off. Press OK. It's just going through now, retrieving all the data. Done. So now we need to get the patch security. So this is on the new system now with the new 198 system. Now open patch security. Yes. Just working through all the steps now. This usually takes up to 1 hour with Smart Pro. So again, these do take some time because it's downgrading the file data. But we're at 25% now and it's been at around about 90 seconds. Again, Smart Pro on auto can take up to an hour to do these. So like I said, any 18 plate onwards, whether it's spare key or lost key situations, the same time span. The only difference is that we do not need to keep disconnecting and reconnecting the battery again. We just make sure there's a good booster pack on this. It's still reading the flash data. So while we're doing that, let's talk about the kit. So it's got a USB, that's the calculator, that needs to be plugged in, as well as the adapter before the software will actually open. If you try and open the software, this is the emblem, it'll actually just say not connected and shut it down. But literally, that true code, cable straight to the OBD socket, then 2 dongles in, offline system. Again, when you're doing the new phones, you need to make sure you've got plenty of battery in the laptop too, as well as on the car. We're at 50% now, about 4 minutes. Once it's cleared the pass security, we'll then be able to have access to add the key to the system. We find that most machines struggle to do these with a British struggles to do these with a working key, or Telling Smart Pro struggle to do these without a working key. This Halkyard seems to do it no problem at all. I think it's finished calibrating now. It's just checking the security now. There you go. Okay, so it's writing the files back now, so it's important that we do not affect it. So it's downgraded the data, so you've got to write the data back. If you unplug now anything at this stage, like battery dies in the car, laptop dies, we've now got a dead vehicle. Similar to like a modern Renault past 16 onwards. What I do like about this system, it does tell you there what transponder to use, so you can actually quickly check your new key to make sure it's got the right transponder chip in it. And as we know, ID47 can also read as an ID49 in most key checkers. There we go, it's calculates all the system out, which is great. Right, so guys, today is now remove the keys we have done. You can add and remove now, so we've got security now. So we're now going to insert the new key into the ignition. Again, with a 198 new cut, and we're going to click on add key. If you want to add a key, yes. Off, turn the keys programmed. Add in the key, done, completed. Thank you very much.